Hello my dear student. So today we are going to start the geometry section, that is chapter number 7, line and angles. So I have skipped some of the chapters in between because that chapters are not in the syllabus of first semester exam. So directly I am starting 7th chapter. Okay, so let's discuss the basic terminology of this chapter. So first point is point. Okay, so the first thing is point. So what is point? A dot made with a sharp pencil represent a point. A point has no length or breadth. It shows a position. Points are named with capital letter. So what is a point? It is a dot like this which is made with a sharp pencil. Okay, it don't have any length or any breadth, but it only shows the position. Okay, and it is always named with a capital letter, like here capital P. It means this is a point P. Okay, now next is line. So what is a line? A line is an infinite number of points joined together. It may extend indefinitely in any direction. It is denoted by the symbol this. Okay, so what is a line? When you join different points together, like here is one point, here is another, here is another. So when you will join all these points together, this will form a line. Okay, so a line, you can extend the line in both the direction indefinitely. मतलब आप दोनों डायरेक्शन में इस लाइन को एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो, मतलब बढ़ा सकते हो. और लाइन का सिंबल होता है आपका ये दिस एरो इन द बोथ साइड. ओके, now lines are named with small letters. The line given here is named line M. So you have to name the line with the help of the small letter. Okay, so here the name of this line is given by the small M. Now the lines are of different types, like straight line and curved line. Okay, now see, this one is a straight line, small m. Okay, and this one is the curved line. Now another type of lines are the vertical line and the horizontal line. So this one is the vertical line and this one is the horizontal line. Now the next is the parallel lines. So what are parallel lines? The lines M and N have the same distance between them. They extend indefinitely but do not meet. They are called parallel lines. So parallel lines are those lines which have the same distance between them, like these two lines M and N. The distance between these two lines are the same, but they will never intersect or they will never meet each other. ये एक दूसरे को कभी भी काटती नहीं है, meet नहीं करती हैं. Okay, so these lines are known as parallel lines. The next is intersecting lines. So what are intersecting lines? The lines M and N intersect or cross at O. They are called intersecting lines. So intersecting lines which can intersect or you can say cross each other, like these two lines M and N. They are meeting each other at the point O. ये एक दूसरे को कट कर रही है किस पॉइंट पर? O. So वो लाइन्स जो एक दूसरे को कट करती हैं किसी भी एक पॉइंट में, that lines are known as intersecting lines. Now the next is the perpendicular lines. So what are perpendicular lines? When two lines meet or intersect such that they form right angles, we say that they are perpendicular. For example, building or a pole are perpendicular to the ground. We use the symbol this for perpendicular and this for a right angle. Okay, now see, if any two lines intersect each other at right angle, मतलब जब भी कोई दो लाइंस एक दूसरे को कट करती है राइट एंगल्स, राइट एंगल मीन्स 90 डिग्री के एंगल में. ओके, लाइक दीज टू लाइंस L एंड M, ये एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री का एंगल फॉर्म करके. सो दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90 degree. Okay, so this is the symbol for perpendicular and this is the symbol for 90 degree. Okay, so here we can say that line L is perpendicular to M. So this is the symbol for perpendicular. Okay, line L is perpendicular to M. Perpendicular means they will intersect each other at an angle of 90 degree. Now the next is a ray. So what is a ray? A line which has an end point and extend endlessly in only one direction is called a ray. Its end point is called initial point. Symbol of a ray is this. OA is a ray and O is its initial point. So what is a ray? A ray is a line which has one end point. So like this one is a ray. OA is a ray. Here it have one end point. ये इसका एक end point है. It means इसको आप एक point पे एक साइड से कितना भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो, बट यहाँ पर इसका डिस्टेंस फिक्स रहेगा. ओके, बिकॉज इट हैव वन एंड पॉइंट, बट फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन एक्सटेंड इट endlessly in to any limit. Okay, now the last one is the line segment. So what is a line segment? The straight path between 2 points is called a line segment. It is the shortest path between 2 points. It is denoted as AB. So what is a line segment? It have 2 endpoints. Okay, so line segment is the shortest path between 2 points. ये किसी भी 2 points के बीच का shortest path होता है, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं line segment और इसको denote करते हैं हम 2 capital letters से. So इसको यहाँ पर denote करेंगे AB like this. So AB is the line segment. So this you have to learn all the definitions and you have to write the definition and draw the diagram in your fair notebooks.